National Treasury Principal Secretary Dr. Kiptoo says there is need to broaden the tax base to boost revenue collection for funding government expenditure. Dr. Kiptoo says that new strategies have been proposed to seal revenue leakages as well as to eliminate duplication of spending. However, members of the National Assembly Budget and Appropriations Committee called on the National Treasury to ensure that spending is prioritized on projects and that services that benefit more Kenyans are looked at.
Probably you'll give us a brief on how the proposed finance bill as it is will help promote investment. When you are reclassifying zero-rated supplies to exempt, meaning it attracts input taxes and that will be offloaded onto the consumer.
Try to reduce the taxation on the fuel, and then you are now achieving it by increasing 2.5, hoping that in the insurance sector you will now collect more.
If we are getting 100 shillings, 35 shillings is going to pay interest payments. And if we include together with debt, we are talking about between 60 and 70%. So where we have reached, we clearly cannot continue financing the budget through deficit. We need to live within our means, and this is what we are demonstrating in this fiscal year that we have gone, fiscal year 24-25.
You might not be